Hey guys, welcome back to another Vapor Only Technologies video. We are back on the 250 project. Today we're cleaning up this engine case. It's got some factory paint, I believe, on it, and we are going to take that off and bring this thing back to this pristine aluminum that we've been able to get. If you guys didn't check out these videos, check them out in the description. We'll put a link to them. That way you guys can go back and kind of see the progression of this project. But without further ado, let's hop into it. And we're back, guys. Used a little bit of aluminum oxide on this part, a little bit of glass bead. After running for about 30 minutes combined in a vapor honing machine, we've got that pristine vapor finish here. This thing looks fantastic. This 250 is gonna look great. Again, if you guys would like to check out the other videos we've made in this project, check the description below. This one here was a little bit shorter, but the other ones are a little bit more educational. We go in depth on why you should choose certain abrasives, how to use your machine, what pressures to run at, just so you guys can replicate results just like this in your shop. If you guys are ready to get the best wet blasting equipment on the market, you can call us at 828-202-5563 or check the link in the description below to see all our machines. We would love to talk to you to help figure out what you need to, again, start getting results just like this. We help remanufacturing facilities, manufacturing facilities. We help small-time hobbyists, small-time shops all the time. Call in, because again, we would love to share the information that we have with you guys so that you can start getting results just like this today. Hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, please comment below. If you didn't like it, let us know why. We want to know what you guys think. If you did like it, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us out. It also allows us to keep putting this information and showing these results to you guys. Check out our channel. We put all kinds of stuff like this, and check out our other socials, because again, we're posting every day trying to help you guys out. And I think that's it. Again, if you guys like this, comment, tell us what you want to see. We'd love to hear from you guys. You're the reason that we do it. And I hope you all have a great day. Peace.